Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dida's kitchen. So today we're gonna see how to make this very popular northern Nigerian recipe called punkaso. So let's get started. First, I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast, blended onion, then I'm gonna gradually pour warm water to make a smooth batter. Beat until you get a thick, non-runny batter. Then cover and allow it to rise for 2 hours in a warm place. After 2 hours, beat the batter for 2 minutes. Next, heat enough oil in your white pan. Dip your hands in water. Then take small amount of the batter with your hands. Make small hole in the center. Then release to the oil like this. But be careful so you don't burn your hands. Fry until golden brown on both sides. And once they are golden brown on both sides, remove from the oil and transfer them to a colander or a paper lined plate. And serve with your desired soup or stew. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.